Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set storage limits in Google Workspace. This is particularly useful for administrators who need to manage their organization's storage allocation and ensure users stay within designated quotas. First, open your web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. You'll need to sign in using your Google Workspace administrator account credentials. Make sure you're using an account with full admin privileges, as regular users won't have access to these settings. Once you're logged into the admin console, look for the menu icon, which appears as three horizontal lines, typically in the top left corner. Click on it if you need to expand the navigation panel. From here, locate and click on Billing. Depending on your console layout, you might need to navigate through Menu and then select Storage to access the storage management area directly. Next, you'll want to open the Storage Management section, look for a Manage button under Storage Settings, and click it. This is where you'll have full control over how storage is allocated across your organization. Now it's time to choose the scope for your limits. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of organizational units. Click on the one you want to configure, whether that's your entire domain, a specific organizational unit, or a particular group. This flexibility allows you to set different limits for different departments or teams within your organization. Once you've selected your organizational unit, you'll need to toggle the storage limits setting too. This enables per-user storage limits for the selected scope. With this activated, you can now enter the specific storage amount you want to allocate to individual users. Common options include 15 GB, 30 GB, or custom amounts depending on your needs. If you're managing multiple groups with different requirements, you can repeat this process for each one, ensuring that group limits align appropriately with your organizational structure. After configuring your desired limits, click Save to apply the changes. You should see a confirmation message or banner appear at the top of the screen, indicating that your storage limits have been successfully updated. Thanks for watching.